everybody, welcome back. Omega Given here. Today we're going to show you guys how to get two different skills. One is Stinger and two is Infinite Food. Yeah, because, you know, sometimes you just don't want to have those things. Now, this is clearly cheating. I would actually somewhat almost discourage getting these things, but if you are really bored of the game because you've done everything, this is a great thing for you just to have fun with a little bit for, you know, a few minutes maybe. So the first thing is you got to go to tavern.townshiptale.com. Go to your server section, click on your server. You have to be a moderator or greater of the server that you're testing in. We're testing in our server. I got Simply TJ here to help me out with being a dummy, a little test dummy for one of the skills, which is Stinger, which is a pretty powerful skill, I guess. And what we do in the tavern is when you're on tavern, once you go to your server, let me actually go to the servers to show you guys how it works. Go to console. I'm going to expand my console so we can use the whole console. We're going to do player, progression, by skill, and then we'll test this out really quick. We're going to do 0 for the first one, and then false. So let's try this out. We're going to run the command, and it will say success. Well, I guess it didn't work. What the flip? Why did it not work?
You have to do player progression,
yes.
show skills.
Player oh yeah, that's true. So player
progression,
show skills. I think we have to do Omega Given. Is that how we do it? There we go.
And then player progression skill.
And then player
whatever number you
by skill
and then name.
0 false.
You don't have to put in.
Alright, let's try that. And there we go, we got that skill. Now which skill is this? I actually do not know exactly off the top of my head. Well, I think this is probably, yeah, that's Infinite Food. That is Infinite Food. Alright, so by skill 0 is Infinite Food. And then if we do player progression by skill 1, I'm going to just copy and paste this, save myself some time. And then do false, that is going to give us the second skill, which these on Quest are not really available for active use or anything. It's only an admin kind of use. But you can now do the Stinger option, which I don't know if it actually can. How much damage does it do to you? Any at all?
Let's see. I wasn't fully healed up, I think. It did about a half bar.
Half a bar? So not insane amounts, but it still does some fun stuff. Ugh. Now, normally in a PCVR, you would have a little orb to show you where it is, but basically where you can see how it is basically right in front of your face and a little bit up. That's basically where the target you want to hit is. I'm not even that good at it myself, but you can just try it out. I don't know. But that's how you do those two skills. If you guys enjoyed this, please like and subscribe, all that fun stuff. And yeah, I'll see you all next time.